And what are those three areas?
Eyeball, eye. Center point.
Correct.
Nose.
Okay, so I'm going to tell you three slightly different areas. You know about areas where somebody hurts you is going to hurt really bad. Okay, so now there are three areas where nobody is supposed to touch you. That's your chest, okay, then your bottom, okay, and the part between your legs, okay,
Which eye?
where people are not supposed to touch you. Okay, maybe your mother or your father will touch you there when they are giving you a bath.
Yes.
Okay, or maybe when a doctor is examining you for something, they might touch you there if your parents are there. Okay, otherwise nobody is supposed to touch you there.
Okay, right? That is okay, right?
The doctor,
The doctor and the bath thing.
yeah, but doctor is supposed to touch you there only when your parents are there. If your parents are there, then if they are not there, then even doctor is not supposed to touch you there. Okay, so what are the three areas? One, tell me one.
Chest.
Correct. Two,
Center point.
center point or part between your legs, and three,
Nose.
not nose.
Bottom.
Bottom. Okay, so your chest, your bottom, and a part between your legs, nobody is supposed to touch you there. Okay, but now suppose somebody touches you there, what are you supposed to do is what I am going to tell you, right? But before that there is something more. I am going to tell you that. Okay, it's very, very simple. Can you read?
Yes.
You can read. Okay,
She can't read. She can't
okay,
read.
I want you to look at this. What does it say?
If you get bad touch,
Hmm?
should shout no.
Shout
no.
no.
Go after that person. Tell a safe adult about the bad touch you got. Be smart, safe.
Okay, now I'm going to say that again very slowly and tell you what it means. Okay, I have already told you about the three areas where nobody is supposed to touch you. So if somebody does that, okay, what you have to do first is shout no. How do you shout no? No! Right. Okay, and then second thing is go. Go as in you have to go away from that person as quickly as possible. Okay, run away. Can you all say run? Right. And after you run, where do you run?
To a safe adult who can help you.
Correct. Correct. And what is a safe adult? What is a safe adult?
Mother and father. Mother or teacher.
But why are they safe?
Because they know about it.
Okay. Any other reason?
They know about us very well and they can help us.
So somebody that you think you can trust. Okay. Somebody that you know will help you if you are in trouble. Or somebody who's going to help you if something goes wrong. That's a safe adult. Okay. Alright. Got that clearly. So, what do you do when somebody touches you in one of those three areas? First thing you do is
Shout
no. What is the second thing that you do?
Go away from that person.
And the third thing?
Tell a safe adult about the bad touch you got.
Wow, now you all are reading out, but I'm sure you memorized it. Right? So now what I want you to do is I'm going to give each of you this piece of paper. Okay? And you all can write. Correct? So, here, where the safe adult thing is there, you have to write name of the adult who you think is safe. You don't have to tell me. Just write on that piece of paper. Okay? I'm going to give you each one this piece. Okay? And then when you go home, you can give it to your parents as well. Okay? Okay. You can. Okay, I'll give you one fresh one here. There you go. You can choose anyone. You just have to keep it here and start writing the name. Okay, let me give you pencils also. Okay, that's all right. I can read what you have written there. Okay. Let me ask you a question. Is your mom a safe person for you?
Yes.
Can all of you write mom?
Uncle, I
okay,
wrote my
great.
mother's name.
Good, that's fine. So can somebody help her write mom?
M-O-M.
M-O-M. Okay, now you have to remember one thing. Say for example, if you are in school or if you have gone for a holiday camp or you are on a vacation, or you are at your grandparents' place, then maybe the safe person that you have written here may not be immediately available. So what you have to do is you have to identify some other safe person who's there.
I want to ask you
Yes,
a
go on, ask.
question. The spelling of grandparents.
You can just write GP. Okay? Hi Naveen.
Hi.
Ruhi has identified you as a safe adult. Okay? You know this work we are doing with kids where we are teaching them about bad touch, the areas that they are not supposed to be touched, and what they should be doing if they get touched in that way. Right? So she has identified you as a safe adult. Ruhi, now you just need to tell me what bad touch is.
Our chest, our bottom, and our between our legs.
So if somebody touches you either on your chest or on your bottom or between legs, what are you going to do?
I'm going to tell my father.
Right. And your father is the safe person that you have identified. Correct? So Naveen, you are the safe person. She has also identified her mother as a safe person. But both of you need to know that Ruhi has already learned this in school. And if anything like that happens, unfortunately, she'll come and talk to both of you and you will take it seriously.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Bye.